This 2017 Keystone Springdale 270LE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, oven, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, LP detector, TV antenna, stovetop burner, air conditioning, water heater, leveling jacks. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.